Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So today we are going to have factoring polynomials. It will be the last lesson in this unit, or module, if you want to call it. Yes, it's a module. And factoring polynomials will discuss a lot of ideas. So let's dive in. The first idea that we have is factoring polynomials. And we have taken before how to multiply binomials, okay? Because what will happen here that you are going to reverse engineer it, reverse engineer what you have done before. So let us say I have x plus 2, okay? And we're gonna multiply it by x plus 3. What did we do? Well, we multiplied the first by the first, so I get x squared. Sorry for the pen, for some reason it's not working well. And then we're gonna multiply 2 with 3, so it will be 3x. And then multiply 2 times x will be 2x. Multiply 2 times 3 will be 6, and then we look for the like terms, and we're going to add them. So x squared plus 3x plus 2x will be 5x plus 6. Now I want to go back to the original form, and this is how we factor trinomials. We want to factorize this trinomial into two binomials. So the first step, I will look at the last term, and I will try to think of the numbers. If I can multiply them, I will get 6. So yeah, so 6, what are the numbers if multiply them I get 6? I'm going to get 2 times 3, 6 times 1, -2 times -3, and -6 times -1. These all are the possibilities I can use in order to get 6. The question is, which combination of these will work? How can I determine which combination is the correct one? The one that will determine that for me is the middle term, which is 5x, which is 5. I'm going to add each combination to it. I'm going to add the numbers in each combination and see which one will get me 5. Okay, so 2 plus 3, I'm going to get 5. Okay, great. 6 plus 1, I'm going to get 7, so this will not work. -2 times -3, if I'm going to add them, I'm going to get -5. And -6 multiplied by -1, what I'm going to get? I'm going to get -7. So it's clear for me that the first combination is the one that works. Okay, if you multiply 2 by 3, you will get 6, which is the last term. And if you add them, you'll get the second term, which is 5, 6. And therefore, I will be able to go back to the two binomials, the original binomials, which when I have multiplied them, I got the trinomial in question. So let us check the other question that we have here. We have 3 questions. Let us solve them together. Let us change the color here. So I have x squared plus 8x plus 12. I want to change this into two binomials. I will look at the last term. What are the numbers? If I multiply them, I'll get 12. Okay, we have 3 times 4, 6 times 2, 12 times 1. Okay, and considering that 12 is actually a positive number, and the only two things that can get you a positive number is a positive number multiplied by a positive number, or a negative number multiplied by a negative number. So you can use the same combinations, but all of them will be negative. So I have -3 times 4, -6 times -6 times -2, and I'm sorry about the last one. I have -3 times -4, and -12 times -1. And I start adding each combination. I will try to look for the one that will get me 8. So 3 plus 4 will be 7. This will not work. And I have 6 plus 2 will get you 8. Okay, you can stop here. You have found it. So I'm going to open two brackets. I put an x here and x there. What are the numbers? If I multiply them, we get 7. It's 3 and 4. Doesn't matter where you're going to put them. So I have 3 and 4 here, and both of them are positive. So I have a plus here and plus there, and the question ends here. Okay, next one. It is x squared minus 7x plus 10. What are the numbers if I multiply them and get 10? I have 2 times 5. I have 10 times 1. Also, I have negative 2 times negative 5. I have negative 10 times negative 1. Okay. Sorry, my cat was moving on the keyboard or the touching pad or whatever you can call it. Anyways, so 2 times 5 and 10 times 1, negative 2 times negative 5, negative 10 times negative 1. Which one of them will get me negative 7? I have to add each combination. So 2 plus 5 will be 7. Well, this will not work. I need negative 7. 10 plus 1 will be 11. Also, this one will not work. Negative 2 plus negative 5, it will be negative 7. This is what I want. So I'm going to open two brackets. I have an x here, x there. Okay, and the numbers that I'm going to use will be negative, it will be 2 and 5. Both of them are negative, as we can see here. And the last example that we have, okay, it's a little bit different. I have x squared plus 3x minus 18. Now, negative 18, what are the numbers if I multiply them, I'll get negative 18? Well, I have negative 6 times 3. I have 6 times negative 3. Okay, in this case, if I get a negative number, so the two numbers one of them must be positive and the other must be negative. So when you multiply them, the result must be negative. I have 9 times negative 2. I have negative 9 times 2. And I have 18 times negative 1 and negative 18 times 1. These are the possibilities, the combinations that I can use. So I will try to look for the combination. When I add them, I will get negative 3x. So with negative 6 plus 3, what I'm going to get? I'm going to get negative 3. I found my combination. So I'm going to open two brackets. I put x here, x there. I put the negative 6. Okay, this number is negative 6. Put it here. Doesn't matter. If you want to put it the other side, put it. And 3 plus 3. Also can be written as x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 6. Both of them are correct. Okay. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.